How to make $100,000 or more this upcoming summer. Yo, what's going on everyone? Shri Kanase here and welcome back to another Shopify video. In this video, I'm going to be going over exactly how you can make about $100,000, which is 6 figures or more just in this few months of summer. Summer is usually an interesting time because for some people, the summer time period can be absolutely horrible when it comes to sales on Shopify, and for others who know how to make use of it, it can be the best time of their life. And that is exactly what we're going to go over in this video. But if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, pause this video for about 2 seconds and smash that subscribe button down below so you stay up to date with the quality content I post on a weekly basis. But without further ado, let's jump right inside my computer and go over exactly what you need to know regarding the summer 2019 strategy. Alright guys, so as I was mentioning, summer is actually a very interesting time because again, some people who know how to sell do a really good job in summer, while others, they're not really sure as to what to do because they think that since people are traveling, they would not be in the mood to purchase. And this is not really true because a good Shopify store knows how to be consistent every single month of the year. And it is up to you as to how you use these specific months or these specific holidays to your advantage. And since we're talking about summer, let's begin right from the basics. So when it comes to summer vacation, what do you usually think of? If you thought having fun or traveling, then you're absolutely right. A lot of people in the summer months like to travel, they like to go overseas to other countries, they like to hang out with friends, etc. And as businessmen or businesswomen, we want to take advantage of that and sell to these people exactly what they're looking for. Before I go into the general ideas of what you should be selling and what you should be looking out for, the first thing I want to say is that if you want to take advantage of summer, you're going to have to start early. So let's write this down. Start early if you want to make big money. And this is really important when it comes to the summertime because right now when I'm recording this video, it's already March. And as you know, ePacket has somehow changed to about 20 days to 25 days shipping. So that just means that you're going to have to start things a little bit early, maybe start adding those collections that you want regarding summer, maybe summer clothing, summer accessories, summer glasses, etc. And whatever you do for summer, you want to start preparing early. Usually, since I personally run a niche store and not a general store, I have to be a little bit smarter when it comes to summertime. And what I usually do is I put out special offers or sales that run during the summertime. So even if people want to travel or whatever they want to do, these sales make them want to come and purchase before they go on their trip. And I've been doing this for a while now, and I've noticed that putting out these sales in the summertime when everybody's already in a buying frenzy really helps them make their decision as to whether they want to purchase from you or not. So let's also write this down. Start preparing the coupon/sales early on. And this also means getting those flash sales ready, getting those email flows that you want to send your customers ready. Because once the time comes and when people start shopping for summer, which is usually a month prior, you should have all these email flows and all these coupons and sales ready to go so that you can immediately be ahead of your competitors when it comes to pumping out these sales. Remember, in business, speed is key to success. This is one of the key ideas I live by. If you want to be a successful businessman or businesswoman, you need to understand that speed is key in business. And if you like to procrastinate that like I used to do, then it's going to be a little bit harder to capitalize on these special months, especially summer. So start preparing early and get all of these things ready. But you may be thinking, okay, start early, but exactly what do we even start? When you have all of these things already ready to go, then you can start focusing on the specific products that you want to add to your Shopify store so that you can sell during the summertime. And let's write this down. Start finding products related to summer. You may be thinking, wow, that's pretty common sense. But trust me, I have no idea absolutely why, but I've seen people sell hoodies to the US in the summertime, which makes no sense to me, but okay. So this is something you really want to focus on. You want to start looking for products which are related to the summertime itself, and this includes stuff like bikinis for women, women's summer dresses or summer shorts or summer t-shirts. Anything that has to do with summer, you want to start looking into that. And let's also write this down. Find products such as women clothing, which is a big one because women just love to shop during the summer, especially those short women dresses. So women clothing such as dresses, bikinis, etc. I know personally a lot of people who have made absolutely a killing last year during the summertime selling women bikinis. And there was one winning product, which I think was the push-up bra, which a lot of people sold during the summertime, and it absolutely did really well. So now is the time to start looking for these unique products which have somewhat of a wow factor. And let's write this down. Look for products which are unique and have a wow factor. Remember, wow factor products sell really well. And when I'm doing product research for the summertime, I keep a lookout for 3 specific things. Number 1 is the product in high demand or not. I do not like to reinvent the wheel, especially since there's only a few months left until summertime comes, and to reinvent the wheel you would need much more time. So it's better to just hop on a trend and look at stuff that has already sold well before. Just because it sold well last year in summertime does not mean that it can't sell well this year as well. So you want to look out for products which have a high demand and have sold well in the past, especially for summertime. The second thing that you want to look out for is low availability, meaning is it really available in stores like Target, Walmart, etc. Because if people can just walk down the block to Walmart and buy something that you're selling, they're gonna do that rather than buy from you, because you may be somewhat of a new store and they trust Walmart or Target much more than your store. And finally, the third main factor is uniqueness. Is the product you're trying to sell unique, or is it just a generic product which everybody literally tries to sell? So let's write all of these things down. So high demand, first things first, high demand for the product, meaning it has already been selling well. Second thing is low availability. And finally, uniqueness. And I don't think I can spell anything right today. But remember, these 3 things are what you want to live by when it comes to summer products. High demand, low availability, meaning you can't really find it anywhere else, and uniqueness. This is the main reason why the push-up bra did really well last year, because it was really in high demand, it was useful for the woman, and it wasn't really available in stores like Walmart, Target, etc. Don't worry if the product you're trying to sell is available on Amazon, eBay, or any other store. Just worry if it's literally available on Walmart or any other brick or mortar store. And finally, uniqueness. How unique is the product? The push-up bra was really unique because there was nothing like that created before, and it really helped the woman out, so which is why it did really well. But these are the specific things that you should be looking out for when it comes to the summertime. And one more thing that I like to use when it comes to searching is a special Chrome extension which is available for download. It's called Keywords Everywhere. And what this extension does is it lets you look at the keyword search volume, meaning how many people are searching for this specific keyword that you type on Google. So one thing I like to also do during the summertime is just type in buy summer. And when I click space, now as you can see in the bottom, I'm able to see all of these different things people have searched for. And as you can see, it says a specific number on the right, 30 per month, 50 per month, and it says a specific dollar value. This is what the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension does. It shows you these specific pieces of data which are really important. What this is telling us is that buy summer sausage is being searched 30 times per month right now. And something like buy summer clothes in winter is being searched 50 times per month. What this is going to do is let you spy on these keywords to let you know exactly what people are searching the most for. So let's say, for example, if we type in clothes, buy summer clothes, and then when we press space, we can see even more of these specific keywords. So buy summer clothes in winter, buy summer clothes online, 50 per month, 50 per month. So not too much volume. But let's say we want to type in buy woman dress and nothing came up. So that tells us that buy woman dress isn't a big keyword on Google. But what if we type in summer woman, and there we go, summer woman's dresses, 40,500 per month monthly searches. that tells you right there that this keyword is really popular right now, and as summertime comes even closer, it's just going to get more popular. So this is why I emphasize that you start whatever you want to do early. Do not procrastinate, because people will start to do chargebacks and people will get mad if the items that you sell do not arrive to them before summer starts or before they plan their trip to go somewhere. So as of right now, we can see that summer women's dresses, summer women's tops, summer women's shoes, they're pretty popular search terms as of right now. And summer women's sandals, summer women's shirts, again, 3,600 per month. Let's type in summer men, and then when you type in men, you'll see that these things come up. So the women's niche is much more broad because women like to shop more compared to men, as you can see based on the search terms as well. So maybe that is something you want to capitalize on, sell more women's accessories to women. I have a special doc available for you guys down in the description below, which is basically a month by month seller's guide, meaning how you can capitalize on these special events, occasions every single month. The link was down in the description below if you want to download that Google Doc. It is absolutely free for you. But this is usually what I do when it comes to the summertime. Remember, start as early as you can, especially if you're just watching the video now when I released it. You want to start right away and start preparing your website, the coupons, the sales, whatever you plan to do early on, because you need to have a general plan in place before you do all of the execution. One important thing a lot of people really forget is you want to focus on items related to summer. You want to really take the time to think what you can sell when it comes to the summertime, whether it is women's clothing, dresses, bikinis, anything else that is summer related, such as men's goggles. Or what you can also think about is the sports that people do in the summer, such as swimming. So I didn't add this, so let's add this right now. Also look into sports that are popular during the summertime. And remember, swimming, biking, etc. Anything that you can think of that is related to summer, look into products related to those niches. And remember, you want to have products which are unique and have a wow factor. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. Just hop onto something that's already working. Look at products with high demand, low availability, meaning it is not really available or accessible at a brick and mortar store. And finally, how unique is it? But this is the general strategy that I use every single summer to make absolutely a killing, while other people are out there complaining like, oh, it's summer, I think I deserve a break, I don't have to sell online because nothing's gonna sell anyway. That is the biggest lie that they will tell you. So don't listen to them. Do your due diligence by doing your research and sell products related to summer. But if you guys found any type of value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.